Hazak ubaruch. Bezrat Hashem, Mincha today is going to be 4:10. Try to be on time and try to make sure to come as much as possible. Anybody that's in the area should make every effort to participate in the minyanim. The Halacha tells us that a person who has a Kazayit, although from the Torah and from the Gemarot, the measurement of a Kazayit, we say the size of an olive, we're saying a measurement of a volume. We're not saying a measurement of a weight, because when the Torah says Kazayit, Kabitza, all of the measurements, they're all volumes. So there is amount of space that it takes up. However, Halacha leMaaseh, Chacham Ovadia says that throughout all the generations, the Sfaradi Poskim, although they knew that the volume is the main gauge, but nevertheless, when it came to actually leMaaseh, to actually doing, they would always rule to do and use the weight, which means that we don't use milliliters or water displacement to figure out how much a Kazayit is. Rather, what we do is we simply take the item, whatever item it is, and we put it on a scale and we weigh it. And if it reaches 27 grams, then it's already a Kazayit. If it doesn't, it doesn't. There's some Ashkenazim that say, no, what you should do is you should take a matchbox. And you should look at the matchbox. They used to have this in Israel. They're a little bit bigger matchboxes. They're not like exactly the ones we have here in America. Take the size of a matchbox and basically estimate how much the volume of that matchbox is, and that's how much a Kazayit is. That's not the way we do things. You take a scale and you weigh. If it's 27 grams, it's a Kazayit. If it's 54, it's a Kabitza. We always use weights because the weight gets us very close to the volume, and the volume is difficult to measure because it doesn't really give you an accurate description, since there might be pockets, there might be holes, sometimes you got to crush it, and then you can't really do it. So it's not so practical as much as the weight is practical, and therefore the weight is the ikar and halacha leMaaseh. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen.